Access to NDTV reveal that before going to Red Fort, Dr. Umar did a Reiki, came to Mayur Vihar Phase 1. This is the current location from where we are reporting right now. And what we are being told is he first came to Mayur Vihar Phase 1. The I-20 car belonging to Dr. Umar had been parked inside the Al Falah University for past 10 days, and then the investigators also suspected that I-20 remained parked there between October 29 till November 10, and then he drove the car towards Delhi, and before going to Red Fort, he came to Mayur Vihar Phase 1. Dr. Umar, as we mentioned, first came to Mayur Vihar and then headed towards Connaught Place. We are also heading towards Connaught Place to check that how the route must have been and how much time did it take for him to drive towards the Connaught Place. And remember that right now it's showing approximately a 17 minutes drive. It must have taken approximately 20 to 25 minutes at a point of time when he started. Now this route is very much important because now you see, as we are passing through Mayur Vihar towards Connaught Place, you can see that on my left is also a very crowded area. That is the Akshardham temple. That is also one of the sensitive area or one of the most crucial zone in the national capital. If we talk about, you can see that on my left it is Akshardham Mandir, Akshardham temple, and as we cross straight, that will be the flyover that will be taking me towards the Connaught Place. Drive of approximately 20 to 22 minutes. We started from Mayur Vihar Phase 1 and have reached over here, and this is the heart of the national capital, one of the busiest road where people come mostly in the late afternoon and the evening as well. And it was the same time when Umar visited this area. All the CCTV areas of inner and outer circle of the Connaught Place will be scanned by the investigation team so as to check that what was the purpose of Umar to come over here. Also, one thing important to note is that he did do a PUC check of his vehicle, because remember that at this point of time the pollution is at its peak. The AQI is crossing 500, 600 and 700, and perhaps at any point of time a vehicle entering the national capital is thoroughly being checked. So he made sure that his vehicle is scanned thoroughly, scanned smoothly, and then he is allowed to enter the national capital. We have reached to that parking area where Umar parked his car, that is near the Sunheri Masjid, and here he parked his vehicle for around 3 hours. So we saw that he started from Mayur Vihar, then to Connaught Place, and then over here to Sunheri Masjid. You can see that here is also the entry point of the Red Fort. That's the Sunheri Masjid, you can read, and that's the Red Fort. As of now, this entire area has been barricaded, but viewers, it took approximately, not more than 20. First we talk about from Mayur Vihar to Red Fort, it took 20 to 22 minutes, and from Connaught Place to this place here, that is the Sunheri Masjid, it took near around again 10 to 15 minutes. That was a ground report to give you a sense that why this was done. And these all things are quite shocking and revealing. You can also see that this is the parking area, and this is the same area where Umar must have parked his car. You can read Red Fort parking, car and bus. This is the entire area where he must have stationed, and this area is not quite a small area. You can see that it is also one of the busiest street, and he must have parked his car over here, and then must have drove towards the Red Fort and have executed this entire plan. So this was all from the ground report to show you that what must have transpired on the day when this attack took place in the national capital near the Red Fort.